Alright, there's a 2013 Dodge Dart turbo uninstall, and then we're going to reinstall a new turbo. Blew up on the highway. This is the exhaust side. It was laying right up on top of the cat. It was not a fun day. It is pretty bad. Let's see what that was one crazy afternoon. So, DIY turbo uninstall, reinstall, little video. I ordered a turbo online. It wasn't the same Garrett turbo because they don't sell those anymore, so I got the next available set, or whatever was available. The K&N cold air intake, straight pipe exhaust, but still had the cat. Other than that, it's loose. I just need to get the rest of the turbo out. Took the coolant and oil lines off. Just need to get the cold side piping off, and then I'll be able to replace the turbo and see what happens. I think I got a little bit bigger than the stock turbo, so I'll be able to get that retuned. And just this turbo just made such a mess. Jeez, I have to get this whole car detailed again. This is just mess everywhere. Other than that, yeah, I was doing about 65. I was about to hit full boost and then heard a clunk, and then just smoke poured everywhere. Turned the car off and sat on the road for a little bit till I got a tow truck to bring it back to the house. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully the new turbo will be in tomorrow. And yeah, this will be a little bit of a new experience. I've never done a turbo. I've done the transmission on this because I shredded first and second. So new turbo. Hopefully clean all this up and make a little bit of power, because Dodge doesn't want to make an SRT for these, so you know, gotta build it. Other than that, this is where we'll leave. When the new turbo comes in, I'll take a video of that, unboxing that. Then I'm gonna make a video of installing everything, and yeah, it'll be all set. All right, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.